you doing?
Wait 12 days until I see her.
This motorbike's just going up the footpath. I'm going to put that on dash cams. Oh, someone nearly took him out. They tried to go up the side street and knock him off.
What, deliberately?
Yeah.
You're joking me.
Nah. No maybe. No, I think he wanted to go up that side street, or doing that to throw us off. In case someone caught it on camera. Is she walking her cat?
What is she doing?
Oh, you retard.
Is it on a string?
No.
Yeah, it is. She's got a thing in her hand.
Does she?
Yeah. Must be on a fishing wire.
Yeah. One of those retractable things. No, she's doing this. It's not on a leash or anything.
What the hell?
It's smooching the car.
It could have darted off and got hit by a car and everything.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Come on, dude. You could have gone already. Come on, dude. What the man?
So, car on the right. Well, first, car in front of me is blocking the frickin' way. Car on the right, I thought was going to go through, but no, instead they decided to cut me off. And then I say something about it, and little Peckerwood there in the passenger seat, a hardcore guy, he fingers me. You know, I just look like the old guy that you're going to roll over, so. But he figured, I'll finger him and I'll just get away with this. Nope, I'm sitting behind him now, barking man. Basically barking out the car. Or making it real hard for them to order anything. Alright, and then they pull ahead. Like, what kind of clown are you, first of all? If you ever see this video, buddy, chump, pal, you're a geek, dude. You're in your passenger seat of your lady's car, not your car, okay? And then you're calling me a right here, he calls me a oh, I tell him to get out.
Get out and tell me that.
And this happens. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oops.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't drive. I jump back in to throw it in park. He throws a few punches, hits my car. I jump back out, and he's all telling me, "Oh, you jump back in your car. You're..." Nah, whatever, dude. I shut my car door a bit. I stand there. He gets a little bit closer. Calls me a punk. He calls me a... You! Sitting in the passenger seat of your lady's car, barking. Here we go. Yikes. Oh, where you going, bud? Man! It's like he...
Come on, bitch.
Sat through and was like, wow, okay, the guy is not scared. And then look at him here. He gets out and snaps a picture of my license plate. Like, what the f is wrong with you, buddy? What are you gonna do with that picture, you little get stain? You gonna call the cops or something? Call your boys, come look for me? Oh, clowns, man. How do you a bunch of bitches? I don't understand it, man. You cut me off, then you finger me, you call me. Then what? I guess you found and found out.
You cut somebody off, look what you're doing.
What you get for cutting people off, I guess, eh?
Yeah, 5:55, like nothing happened, eh? Just another day.
Okay, Garmin, save video.